Yeah, baby. Shorty bad, no lie. Saw her once, now I need one more ride. Top down, city breeze in the night. If she down, we can slide to the sunrise. You talking cash, girl, I got racks. Wrist on shine in the seat, laid back. She my type, yeah, I like that vibe. Hit replay just to see it one more.
Hi, and welcome back to RTL Adventures. I'm back home for Christmas, and today we are going on a relaxed mountain bike ride around my hometown. We will start by climbing all the way up to the old town of Amelia.
Ma se facciamo strada non era meglio?
From the top, we rode all the way down, riding along the old town walls. After leaving the old town, we made our way downhill towards the Orgamazza bridge. Quick heads up, guys, I rented a bike that was a bit too small, which is why you might see my legs more than usual. One brake wasn't working either, so I did my best. When we reached Orgamazza, we stopped to admire the old bridge and its surroundings. Now, the climb begins. Followed by more technical trail. We arrived at the village of Porchiano, had a quick stroll around the walls, then hit the trails again on our way back to Amelia. Soon enough, I found the perfect spot to get the drone up and grab some shots of our riding crew. Thank you for joining me on RTL Adventures. See you in the next one.